Alright, hey, we're learning about shape nets. So, what the heck is a shape net? A shape net is what happens when you take something that's three-dimensional, like this thing. It's like in the real world, and you want to represent it on a flat surface in a really geometry-y way, where you want to be able to see all the faces. Like, no matter which way I hold this thing, you can't see all the faces. Sometimes you can see one, sometimes you can see more than one, but by making it into a shape net, then, wow, I don't have anywhere to put my Kleenexes, but you can see all the sides. You can see every side of this thing. In fact, you can see this narrow rectangle side, small rectangle side, small rectangle side, big rectangle side, narrow rectangle side, big rectangle side. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides of my Kleenex box. So I could then plaster this up onto the screen. I would have shape net. My three-dimensional box is now flat. It's now two-dimensional. So at the end of this lesson, what you guys will need to be able to do is look at a shape net and figure out how does that fold up into a three-dimensional shape, and also to look at a three-dimensional shape and figure out, okay, what kind of shape net would that make? When I smashed this Kleenex box into a shape net, it came out like this. But it doesn't always come out like this. The sides could have come apart in a different way, and it still would be able to fold up into a Kleenex box. You'll be looking at all kinds of different shapes, like pyramids, or prisms, or shapes that we would just call geometric solids because they don't have a nice name.